Your IT needs a phone within Freshservice, get it with KrispCall. Your IT tickets and incidents are all managed in Freshservice. But what about support calls and SMS queries? Without KrispCall, they're randomly scattered in another app, another spreadsheet, and another device. But with Freshservice integration in KrispCall, your ITSM gets powered by a built-in phone system, syncing contacts, call logs, SMS, recordings, and even bringing the KrispCall dialer to make calls and send SMS inside Freshservice. Here's how to connect these powerful platforms step by step. Simply sign up or log into your KrispCall account. Go to Settings, navigate to Integrations, search for Freshservice, and click Connect. A pop-up then asks for your Freshservice credentials. Now head over to your Freshservice account. To get the API, first enable permissions in the agent profile. After that, go to Profile Settings and copy the API key in the right panel. For the link name, copy it from the Freshservice URL in your browser. Enter the valid credentials in KrispCall and click on Connect Now. Once integration is complete, customize the sync options easily in Settings. In General Settings, toggle to enable and disable contacts and notes sync as per needs. Then, in Workflow Settings, select all or specific log options to be synced. Next, in Connected Numbers, add numbers to be used for calls and SMS in the integration. After the configuration, start by creating contacts or importing them using a CSV. Now head over to the Freshservice dashboard and find all the contacts synced to your account, without duplication and manual effort. With contacts ready, you can skip switching back and forth between apps. Receive and make follow-up calls directly from where your ITSM tickets are. But before that, install the KrispCall dialer extension on your browser. Then on the Requester detail beside a number, click on the KrispCall icon, select the call option to open the dialer, and start calling then and there. Even sending SMS now become quick. Upon clicking the KrispCall icon, choose the SMS option, type your message in the dialer, and send it. Every SMS, call logs, their recordings, and even voicemails sync directly under specific ticket details. And with voicemails synced as links, you don't need to miss key details of the call and plan follow-ups accordingly. Your ITSM needs an advanced phone, and you can get it instantly with Freshservice integration in KrispCall to make your IT support run smoothly and ensure that tickets close fast. Visit KrispCall.com and enable Freshservice integration today.